Hey, guys. I have something that might interest you, a free app to download and you can earn just by playing games. You can also earn by completing our other tasks. If interested, just watch the video all through to start. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Do you like games? Well, this is the app for you. MoneyTurn is an app that rewards users with cash for playing games. It's easy, just download the app and start earning free cash by playing games. You can earn even more by joining the other earning opportunities it offers like surveys, videos, etc. It's a legit app because you will really receive compensation from playing games and more. After logging in, you'll see all the games. There are many games. Therefore, you may expect to earn regularly from this chance. Select your game and click it. You'll go to the Games app page. Just install it. The game will now appear under MoneyTurn's Installed Apps section. Playing games requires opening them from the MoneyTurn app, not your app's menu. Doing so lets MoneyTurn track your progress. If you open the game from your mobile app's menu, MoneyTurn won't track your progress or give you coins. Every time you level up in a game, you get coins. However, higher levels mean fewer coins. MoneyTurn makes money by encouraging you to play other games. To increase rewards, MoneyTurn recommends playing many games. Paid offers are another to earn coins on MoneyTurn. These offers usually require surveys or mobile app installations. You have to complete your profile before doing paid offers. After completing your profile, click any surveys and answer the necessary questions to qualify to take the survey. If you don't qualify, try another survey. Complete the survey to get coins. Complete paid offers that need app installations. I like that this income opportunity pays more than the games. You may be deposited the coins you've earned into MoneyTurn to gain rewards passively. As you accumulate coins in the app, your investor points will increase proportionally. In order to advance to higher investor tiers, you must earn investor points. Your coin deposit's interest rate is based on your investor level. Interest rates are scaled based on the investor's level. Once you've deposited your desired amount, you'll begin earning interest on it at a daily rate that's expressed in coins. It's a good method to make money in the background, however, you should know that after you deposit your coins, you can no longer use them to redeem rewards. Finally, MoneyTurn's referral program allows passive coin earning. If the person you referred joins MoneyTurn, he becomes your referral and you get 100 coins. Every coin your referral gets gives you 25%. Referrals are the same. Playing featured games and fulfilling offers earns them 25% of your cash. It's a good method to earn passively. You can use coins to redeem rewards in cash via PayPal or gift cards. The minimum amount you can withdraw will depend on the country you live in. But usually, it will be around 20 cents, which will cost 2,000 coins. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to earn free money. Download the app now. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.